Hello, this is Jason over at Valley Volkswagen. Just wanted to introduce to you our 2023 Hyundai Tucson Hybrid Ultimate. This vehicle is loaded for a hybrid trim with a beautiful white exterior with a black leather interior. This vehicle comes packed with features with power assisted adjustments on the passenger seat, as well as Bose premium audio down below. Coming around to the passenger seat, you got a lot of space again at the rear. You have adjustability down low. You also have heated seats for the outer seats here in the second row bench, ventilation, as well as USB charging. You'll notice as we look up, a ginormous panoramic sunroof as well. Power assist here in the tailgate. Give that a moment to open on up. Coming around to the side, we'll admire the beautiful two-tone wheels here. Nice large opening and cargo space here at the back. 60-40 split in the rear benches. Very easy to pull and lower those seats from the back. You have a nice 12-volt outlet here in the rear as well. Close the trunk. Simple push of the switch and away it goes. Coming around to the driver's side here. Same nice leather seats with a nice inlay here. You do have full power adjustability as well as memory. So you can set up two different drivers and it will remember who and switch. Beautiful new updated Hyundai steering wheel. You do have all your Bluetooth and phone controls on the left side, as well as your driver assist on the right side and dashboard controls to switch between the different modes. Looking over here to the infotainment screen, you do have navigation, as you'll see in front. As I turn on reverse here, you'll see the 360 cam as well as the backup camera. Pop it into park. This does have wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto as well. Automatic climate control for the left and right side passengers, so you can set them up dual, different temperatures for each. You do have Qi wireless charging here, USB inputs and charging. You also have the 12 volt there if you are one of those that prefer that. You do have electronic parking brake with auto hold. A nice modern setup here from Hyundai, showcasing a great amount of design here. Down here you have a nice opening. That is the manual, but it does go pretty deep. There you go. And this being the Ultimate, you have some cool little features to the key, like the auto summon feature and remote start. Once again, this is Jason over at Valley Volkswagen. If you're looking for a nice fuel efficient SUV for the city, for highway commuting, whatever it might be, this could be the perfect SUV for you. Packed with a bunch of features: heated seats, ventilated seats, parking assists, the whole shebang. We hope that this has been informative for you, and we look forward to helping you here. Again, Jason at Valley Volkswagen, and we hope to talk to you soon. Take care.